Hi, welcome to week 3 of the class. We hope everyone's enjoying the course and learning a lot. So before we talk about the assignments for this week, we'd like to mention a few things about the reading quizzes and the focus, rationale, and sources assignment for the research review project that you just completed this past week. So several students emailed us about the grades for the reading quizzes, so we just wanted to let you know that out of the 2 attempts that you make, we'll only take into account your highest score. And if you want to check your grades for each assignment, just do so by going to the Assessments tab on the D2L course homepage. So as for the focus, rationale, and sources for the research review project is concerned, we'll be grading them and getting them back to you quickly, so hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday this week. So we'll email each student individually with their grade and their feedback on their assignment. So in our feedback, if you get any, we'll try and be as specific as possible for what revisions you need to make to improve your work. So of course, if you receive the highest grade, then it's up to you if you want to further improve your work for the final paper or not. So although we certainly do encourage you to do so. So in this final paper, you'll incorporate all assignments for the research review project that you'll have a chance to revise by addressing the feedback that we give you. So we'll talk about specific details later, but for now, even though you've already submitted your assignment, look for good quality sources that you might find research in your area of interest. So this will help you in general to improve your research skills and find more sources for good research on the topic for your research review project.
Okay, so let's talk about this week's assignments. This week again you will have to complete 2 assignments, and first, as usual, you will have to do the readings and take a reading assessment. And the topic of this week's readings focus on the key ideas surrounding the social science research and the main approaches to educational research, research methods, and the key language that is at the core of any research literature, such as, for instance, data, research hypothesis, variables, units of analysis, and so on and so forth. So for many of you, if not all of you, have already dealt with these definitions before in one form or another, but for you as educators or future scholars and as consumers and producers of research, it's very important to have a good understanding of these key concepts and the language of research in general. So hopefully you find the material for this week useful and learn something new. Okay, so the next assignment for this week is the first quick research activity, and some of you might have already looked into the instructions for the QRA. So we designed this quick research activities with the purpose for you to practice not only your data analysis skills and computing skills, but also for you to learn to become better at interpreting the results of the analysis in a critical manner. So in this assignment, we ask you to compute some basic descriptive statistics and and interpret the results of the correlation analysis. So although in this course you won't go beyond this basic statistical analysis, these statistical methods that you will use and concepts are at the very core of many quantitative studies. And the ability to look at the data and being able to draw the right conclusions is an important skill to have, especially in today's world where the data is so ubiquitous. Okay, so go ahead and carefully review the instructions for the QRA on the course website, and feel free to email either of us if you have any questions. So that's it for today, and good luck with your assignments, and we look forward to reading your proposals for the research review project.
See you in the next video.